Hello and welcome to WizHub. In this video, I'll be showing you what I bought from Amazon's Great Indian Festival. Let's start with this packet here. Alright. So this is a USB to micro USB cable. So this is a USB to micro USB cable, braided cable. Alright, let's keep it aside and see what else is inside. Alright, so this is Mi basic earphone. This usually goes for 399 rupees, but Great Indian Festival offer was going for 348 rupees, so I bought one. This product is a Bluetooth headphones. This usually sales for about 1299 rupees, but I bought it for 999 on Great Indian Festival Day. So I'll test this out and let you know how this sounds. I'll be doing a review on it, so stay tuned. This is a mini tripod, the tripod that Casey uses, but this one is a plastic one, not a metal one. This one I bought this one, I bought this one for my other channel. If you want to check out my other channel, I'll give a link in the I button. Go check it out. So these were the 4 products that I bought on Amazon during the Great Indian Festival. This Mi earphone I bought it for 348 rupees, and this one was for 99 rupees, and this one, a Bluetooth headphones, was for 999 rupees, and this one usually goes for 499. I bought it for 349. So that's it for this video. If you liked what you saw, then hit that like button and also subscribe to the channel to watch more tech videos.